a bike that you can just twist wide open and not fear. That's the fun factor of this bike. That wind noise that you'll be hearing is a fairly good indication of how noisy it actually is inside this helmet, and it is the worst part. I bought a cheap helmet. I think if anything would improve my riding experience, it would be a helmet that is a bit more suited or does a bit better at muffling that wind noise. It's just constant. The thing about this bike is it's so quiet that when you're riding at highway speeds, you don't hear it. All you hear is wind noise. Oh dear. My problem is, I know I'm shouting over the wind noise, but when I'm riding around town I draw a blank because I'm just so focused on what's going on around me that I forget to speak. And so when I get out in the open road, I'm like, oh, now I've got the time to have a chat. But the wind noise gets so overwhelming that by the time I get back, you can barely understand a word I'm saying anyway. I have had a lot of trouble getting my my microphone set up, you know, to be reliable. And I've put that down just to the extreme wind noise in this helmet. There's not a lot I can do about that. God, the wind noise is just excessive.